Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a simple lunch or dinner meal, starting with a soft, no-knead, fluffy rolls. Enjoy. In a bowl, put warm milk, not hot. Add sugar, stir, add instant yeast and stir. Add 1 egg, stir. Sift in flour gradually. Add salt and continue sifting. Add softened butter and stir. Today we are not kneading, we're making a very soft dough. So we'll gradually add flour until we get the correct consistency like this. Wrap with a cling wrap and proof it for 90 minutes or overnight. Once the dough proofs, sprinkle flour on a clean flat surface, then put your dough there. You may grease your hands with oil because the dough is too sticky. Now we are molding the dough without necessarily kneading it. We mold it into a big ball, then we cut it into 12 pieces. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. I would like to ask you as well to please press the like button and leave a comment below. Feel free to sprinkle flour whenever necessary because the dough is too sticky. We roll the dough into balls and put them on a tray. Like that. Cover them with a cling wrap and a kitchen towel and place them in a warm place for 15 minutes. Then once they have risen, sprinkle flour, flatten each ball at a time, roll it into a long roll as shown in the video and put them on a baking dish or casserole dish, whichever you are using. It's a lined casserole dish that I used. Rest them for 15 minutes as you preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 30 minutes. Last 8 minutes, cover them with foil. Look at how soft they are and fluffy too. Let's make ginger roasted chicken. Let's first make a dry rub. In a small bowl, place brown sugar, paprika, onion, garlic powder, mustard powder, and fennel. Add dried thyme, oregano or oreganum and mix. I'll put it in the description box below. Divide the rub into 2 equal portions. I forgot to add salt and therefore I'm adding it there on both rubs. Grease and rub the chicken with oil. The chicken should be at room temperature and pat dried. Turn the chicken over and repeat the same, greasing and rubbing it. I would like to thank you so much for your support and to ask you to please watch until the end. Rub it even inside the cavity, then season it with the first portion of the rub, the dry rub. Do not rub this time, pat it with the seasoning. Then chill the chicken in the fridge for 2 hours to allow the rub to stick. Then, after 2 hours, season it again with the second rub. That second portion of the rub. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to help grow the channel. Line a baking tray, be it with foil or baking paper, then using ginger in a can, just take out half of it, then put the can into the cavity and the chicken should stand on top of the can. Roast it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, mix smoked barbecue sauce and honey in a bowl. That's a basting sauce. Mix. Then after 30 minutes, take out the chicken and baste it. I'm using a brush to baste the chicken. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and tell me if you would try this recipe. Take the chicken back into the oven for another 10 minutes, just to allow the basting sauce to get into the chicken. Then it's ready. Here it is. The chicken was so delicious. You can make gravy with the juices that are left in the baking pan, together with the ginger in the can. Serve it hot and enjoy. The chicken was succulent or juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. It was full of flavor. You need to try this chicken. Let's make Caesar salad. Whether you pronounce it as Caesar, Italian or Caesar, it is delicious. On a medium to high heat, add oil in a pan, then fry bacon. This is optional. You can skip it. Fry them until they are golden or they are done. Once they are done, cool them off entirely. Wash and dry romaine lettuce. Cut off the roots and chop it as shown in the video. Chop or slice. Place the lettuce into a salad bowl. Then chop the bacon, the fried cool bacon. Add it into the bowl, the salad bowl. Cut half of the avocado and chop it or slice it into blocks. It's a ripe avocado. Add croutons. Add thin slices of Parmesan cheese. And toss to mix the salad. Please check the description box below for full details of these recipes. This time we are adding a store-bought Caesar dressing. Please do not add too much or drench the salad, just enough. Toss to mix. Sprinkle salt and pepper if you did not add bacon. It is salty. I hope you have enjoyed these videos. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.